Students, in this video, we are going to see the eligibility and job opportunities for PharmD course. PharmD course is a 6 years program which includes 5 years of academic and 1 year internship program. It is one of the most prestigious course where you can prefix D or doctor with your name. After completion of 6 years of your study, it can be added. And the eligibility of the course is +2 or 12th standard with physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology or zoology with 50% of marks. And viewers, in recent times there is a myth about the PharmD course by which all the students are pursuing this course are worried about. Even the students who are willing to join this course are more worried. If we look into the introduction of PharmD in India, actually PharmD, Doctor of Pharmacy course, has been introduced in 2008 by Government of India under the Pharmacy Council of India with well-structured syllabus. Unlike B.Pharm and M.Pharm, which they concentrate mainly on research and development and manufacturing in pharma industries, whereas PharmD is specifically designed for healthcare platforms. In many ways, PharmD differ from B.Pharm. The syllabus are same as that of the B.Pharm, but in PharmD, syllabus is extra included with hospital pharmacy, community pharmacy, pharmacotherapeutics, clinical pharmacy, biostatistics, clinical toxicology, clinical research, pharmacoeconomics, clinical pharmacokinetics, pharmacokinetic parameters, pharmacotherapeutic drug monitoring. Students, as far as the job opportunities for PharmD completed candidates is concerned, they can work in many areas which is related to the healthcare system, and they play a major role in healthcare system in hospitals and other healthcare platforms. Firstly, clinical pharmacist. They can work as a clinical pharmacist. So actually the clinical pharmacist, the experts in drug therapeutic use of the drug in patients, not only in India but in countries like US, Canada, UK and Australia. This job has got voluminous scope where they can work as a clinical pharmacist. And secondly, clinical research. In clinical research area, they can work as clinical research coordinator. They are the personnel responsible for conducting clinical trials. And nowadays, there are a lot of companies like Quintilis, Paraxel, Seroclinpharm, Clinorex, GVK Biosciences. These companies are recruiting PharmD completed candidates to work as clinical research coordinator with them. And thirdly, we are having pharmacovigilance. So, PharmD completed candidate can work as pharmacovigilance associate, and they are the one who monitors the safety of the drug and to help and prevent the adverse drug reactions in patients. And companies like Kinaps, Merck, Jubilant Biosys, Seroclinpharm, Adcom, Ingram, Cognizant, TCS, Accenture are the major players where they recruit PharmD completed students for their pharmacovigilance program. And fourth one is medical writer. They are the personnel who applies the principle of clinical research in developing clinical trial documents. And the companies like Cactus Communications, Clinaxa Life Sciences, Quintilis in Bangalore and Mumbai. Opportunities also there in US, UK and Canada. And the next one is community pharmacist. It is a profession of pharmacy responsible for dispensing and distribution of the medicine. We can say it is retail pharmacy. And the companies like MedPlus, Apollo Group of Pharmacies and other retail chain pharmacies who recruits the PharmD completed candidates as a community pharmacist. And they got tremendous opportunity in these areas to work as a community pharmacist. And the next one is drug inspector. This opportunity of becoming a drug inspector in both central and state government is actually given for PharmD completed candidates for licensing and regulating the use and sale of the drugs. So once again, in the government side sector, it is a good opportunity for PharmD completed candidates to become a part of licensing and securing the sale of the drug in better way. Form D completed candidate can work as a professor or lecturer. Those who aspire to begin their career in teaching can become a professor. In pharmacy colleges with B Pharm, M Pharm and Pharm D, they can work. Even Pharmacy Council of India has given an approval for Pharm D candidates to be a teacher. And the next one is pharmacoeconomics or researcher. Basically, it is a research post whose job is to compare the value of pharmaceutical drug or therapy with another. And the next is quality control officer in pharmaceutical industries. In pharma companies, they can work and ensure the safety of the medicine by performing certain standard procedures. And companies like Cipla, Sun Pharma, Apex and Dr. Reddy's are recruiting Pharm D candidates as a quality control officer, where they will test the quality of the drug in all the aspects, from the starting product towards till the end of the finishing product. And the next one is analytical chemist. They can work as an analytical chemist in analytical research area in pharma company. And companies like Pfizer, Biocon, Glenmark are recruiting the candidates which having a background of Pharm D, and they can analyze the drug, they can analyze the molecule, which is very newer molecule, and they have got a better scope in analytical research also. And the next one is abroad opportunities or overseas opportunities. The Pharm D completed students can work in United States of America after clearing 3 examinations. The first one is TOEFL exam, which is called as Test of English as Foreign Language, which tests the proficiency of English language. The next one is NAPLAX exam, which is North American Pharmacist Licensure Examination, which tests your knowledge in the profession of pharmacy. And the next exam is MPJE examination, which is Multi-State Pharmacy Jurisprudence Examination, which is a state-specific examination. Suppose if you are writing the examination, if you want to become a pharmacist in particular area like California or Florida, then you have to write this particular exam for that particular state, which is that's why it is called as Multi-State Pharmacy Jurisprudence Examination, and which is very easy examination. After successful completion of 3 exams in USA, that is TOEFL exam, NAPLAX exam and the MPJ exam, after that you will be given for internship, and after successful completion of internship you will be given a license where you can practice the profession of pharmacy in any states of United States of America, and a salary of minimum $50,000 you will get per annum. That comes around 35 to 40 lakhs and for the Indian value as a salary for the completing students. So for the best of its kind, Pharm D is a better course after 12th standard because it has got a wide scope and job opportunities both in India and abroad. Thank you. Kindly share the video if you found it beneficial, and also subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get our latest videos.